video, I'm going to tell you how to configure recommendations manually using personalized recommendations. If you have not installed personalized recommendations on your store, I'll recommend you install the application using the link below. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm on a product page right now. What I would like to do is I want to change the recommendations that are being shown in this widget, which is called frequently bought together. In order to do that, I'll go to the dashboard and I'll configure the recommendations manually. As you can see, I'm on the dashboard right now. I'm going to find frequently bought together widget from the dashboard and then click on configure. Once I click on configure, I'll be shown a bunch of options which are used to configure the widget. At the moment, I'm interested only in configuring the recommendations. In order to do that, I'll hit recommendations, which will show me the list of products. From this list, I'm going to find the product for which I want to configure the recommendations. As you can see, I have this first product right here. I'll click on View Edit Recommendations. On this page, you'll see that no manual recommendations have been added for this product right now. I'll click on Add Recommendation, and from this list, I'll select for a couple of products right here. You will find an Enable Reverse Mapping setting on the dashboard. What this will do is, it will add the main product as recommendation to these two products as well. For this video, I'm going to keep it disabled and then hit Choose Selected Products. You can see these two products have been added as recommendations for the main product. As you can see, I can also drag and reorder the recommendation as well. Once this has been configured, I can go to the product page again and hit refresh. You will see these two products have been added as recommendation for the main product. If you would like to add recommendation for multiple products at once, I'll recommend using the bulk upload. For uploading the recommendation in bulk, on the left you will find an option configuration. If you click on that, you'll be taken to a screen where you'll be allowed to download a sample CSV file. Once you download this sample CSV file, you will be able to edit the file and add recommendations to it. Once you add recommendation to it, just click on upload. You will select the type of widget you want to add recommendations for. Once you do that, you'll be allowed to select the recommendation file that you have just edited. And that's it. As soon as you upload the recommendation file, it will automatically populate the recommendations tab with the correct recommendations that you have uploaded. This is how you can configure the recommendations manually. Manual recommendations always get priority over automatic recommendations. So if you already have automatic recommendations enabled and you want to update the recommendations being shown, you can just go to the product and add recommendations manually. And that's it. If you have any questions, please do reach out to us and we'll help you with the setup. Thank you and have a great day ahead.